अब देख लेना
only way. Major exam also we will do the same way, but major exam we will do it combined. Yeah, your question and my question will be combined. We'll give them 2 hours. No, not difficult. Anyway, it's a difficult process. So that is how the meaning of textile structural composite. And because this composite has many advantages, like it is light in weight, and there is a lot of flexibility to produce different kind of structures. And depending on what fiber we are using, normally in composites we mostly use glass fiber, Kevlar fiber, carbon fiber, Nomex fiber. So these are all very high performance fiber. So strength of material is also very, very high, high toughness, and you can also have many mechanical properties. One of the properties is very, very important as far as textile structural composite is concerned. We try to produce, if we are using 3D structure, then the delamination problem is also taken care of. Energy absorption properties of some hollow structure is also very, very high. So it depends what kind of structure we are producing in textile, then we are converting to composite material. But whatever structure it is, we produce by weaving, knitting, nonwoven or braiding, converting it to composite material, we call it textile structural composites. As of today, these are some of the applications of textile structural composites. So I have written here automobiles, aerospace, marine applications, civil engineering, machine components, sports, structural engineering, wind energy means wind turbine blade. And there are many other. As you can see here in all these applications, they are basically structural material. And please remember, when I am saying structural means load bearing, means these are not very ordinary material, they are very strong material from different application point of view. And they are used for all these purposes. So today we will discuss only about automobile part. Rest of the things are independent subjects, and many people are doing research to develop structural composite for aircraft or marine applications or construction, building construction, so on. But we will today discuss only automobiles. That's the topic, textile structural composite for automobile applications. So let us have some introduction to automotive textiles. The term automotive textile means all types of textile components like fiber, filament, yarn, fabric of various structures used in automotive. You know, if you enter your car, you will find the car seat cover, the hood, the visor, and let's say safety belt or airbag. So there are many filters used in, and the floor carpet of the car. So there are many textile components are there in the any automobiles. Similarly, different type of fabrics are used in the trucks, in trains, and many transport systems. So automobile textiles are non-apparel textiles widely used in vehicles like car, train, bus, aircraft, marine vehicles, and so on in any transport system. All three major textile structures like woven, knitted, or non-woven find applications in transport sector. That means we are giving a general term called automobiles. Textiles which constitute approximately 20 to 25 kg in a car. So in a normal family car, you will find the total weight of the textile material we use is about 20 to 25 kg, depending on what is the size of the car. Normally, if you take the weight of this material, percentage-wise, all the textile materials, if you weigh it and if you take the weight of the car, this textile material is about 2% of the total weight of the car. So these are some basic information which will help us subsequently to understand why we want to produce textile structural composite for automobile applications. This is that was only about textile information. Now let us have look into automotive industry. So you see the car which you see here in this picture is a very, very modern car, is under development by Mercedes, even by Honda also. This is four-dimensional material. You must have heard about two-dimensional, three-dimensional material. This is a four-dimensional material. It's a very, very high-tech car which is yet to come. So about automobile industry, it's a most global industry. As you know, automobile industry is there in almost every country. Fastest growing industry, most competitive, and heavy cost pressure. Because it is competitive,